How to change region in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can change your region in Netflix, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your region on Netflix, all you have to do is first of all go to netflix.com, and then let's say you want to watch movies or shows or series from another country that is restricted in your region, right? Well, you can absolutely do that. So let's say that there is a specific show that you will not be able to watch, and after you connect to a VPN you will be able to do so. So in order to install a VPN, you have to just go ahead and then open up your web store, which means if you're using Microsoft Edge, you have to open Microsoft Web Store. If you're using Chrome, you have to open your Chrome Web Store. So just in the search box, just go ahead and type in Chrome Web Store, and then you'll see this first link, which is Chrome Web Store, right? Once you go to Chrome Web Store, of course you have to install an extension, which is of course a VPN proxy. So just go ahead and then open a VPN proxy over here. Now personally, I actually like to use the option called Touch VPN. This VPN is one of the most popular ones out of all of these VPNs which you see over here. Once you go ahead and then simply click on the add to your browser and then add extension button, this VPN will be added to your browser over here, as you could clearly see. So as you can see, the Touch VPN has been added right over here. I'll go ahead and also pin it if I want to. Now what I will do is I'll just connect it to the region I want. So switch location to, just select the region that you want to change to. Let's say you want to connect it to United States, just select it and then just hit the connect option over here. After you've done that and after you've connected it, all you have to do is just go ahead and then relaunch Netflix, and then once you relaunch Netflix, you should be able to see shows and contents based on those specific regions, as you could see. And this is how you can go ahead and then simply actually change your region on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.